Hey everyone, come on in. Here we are at Arlo Midtown in Manhattan, New York. Over here on this side, we have a quick view of our restroom. Let's go ahead and show you that. Have a nice shower. They have plenty of shampoo and body wash. They provide us with some nice towels as well. Everything looks very modern, very sleek. They have some storage space down here in case you need some too. And further amenities such as body lotion and hand wash. If you need some glasses, there they are too. All right, let's continue forward. Here you have like a full body mirror, so you can kind of look at yourself as you're getting ready. This is kind of like your storage space where you can put your clothes, and they provide, well, they don't provide it, but there's some sandals here. If you like them, they're about $12. And moving on further along, here is the king size bed. Again, beautiful window view. You can lower the cover down if you want to block some of that out. Plenty of lighting, and they have this great little couch here that gives us just a spectacular view of the city, and I just cannot wait to explore more. If you're looking for a place to stay, so far I can say I recommend this one.
Where is it at?
This is at Manhattan.
Hell's Kitchen?
Oh yes, in Hell's Kitchen. All right, well thank you for joining us, and see you next time.